Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to lock any macro variables ranges from number 500 to number 999. Press Offset button. Press right arrow soft key. Press macro soft key. You can see that we can edit values in macro. Now we will see how to lock editing macro values using parameter. Press Offset button. Press Settings soft key. Input 1 in parameter right. Press System button. Under Parameter page, type 6031 and press number search. Input macro variable start range value in 6031 parameter. Input macro variable end range value in 6032 parameter. Now we will go to macro page and try editing. You can see write protect alarm appears. So you will not be able to edit macro variable from number 500 to number 510 as we have restricted in parameter. But you can edit the variable's range other than that it is locked in parameters. Thank you for watching the video.